Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel The Top 10 Show. And today I'm gonna show the top 10 whey isolate proteins available in India under rupees 5000. So if you don't know what a whey isolate protein is, you can click on the I button and check out the video that is differences between whey concentrate, whey isolate and whey hydrolyzed. So please go check out that video after watching this one. So let's get started. At the 5th position we have Muscle Blaze. So this is an Indian based company and has become famous in the past few years and has grown a lot. So these make a lot of quality products like proteins, creatines, BCAAs, aminos, etc. So what we have here is Muscle Blaze Bioenzyme Whey Isolate. It comes in two flavors, that is gourmet chocolate and ice cream chocolate. So its 4.4 pound packaging comes at rupees 5000. I'll give the links to buy these protein powders in the description below, so please go check out them. So let's talk about this protein. So its price per serving is 2500 rupees and it provides a 64 number of servings. The size of each serving it provides is 31 grams and the protein percentage per serving is 81, and it provides 25 grams of isolate protein per serving and 5 grams of BCAAs are present in per serving, and it is a vegetarian protein, so all of you can consume it whether vegetarian or a non-vegetarian. It is a certified product of Labdoor and is ranked on 2nd position. Labdoor is the best ranking site for supplements. So if you're looking for a great quality Indian based protein product, you can go for this, as people have claimed a lot of drastic results after using it. So moving on to number 4th, we have Muscle Tech Nitrotech Performance Series. Its 4 pound packaging comes at rupees 5440 rupees in India. It's a Canadian company and is very popular in India and internationally too. So it also makes a variety of supplements, and it also consists of creatine which energizes your body post workout. So let's check out the details. Its protein percentage per serving is 65 and the price per kg of this package is 2992 rupees. It provides 40 servings and the serving size of each scoop it provides is 46 grams. The protein quantity per serving is 30 grams. It's a non-vegetarian product, so if you are vegetarian you cannot opt for this one. It comes in a variety of flavors. There are 13 flavors you can choose from, but my personal favorite is chocolate chip cookies. You can buy this too from healthcard.com. The links to buy this are given below. So if you want a protein powder from an international famous company, you can opt for this one. It provides great results. So now moving on to the third popular supplement brand, we have Optimum Nutrition. Optimum Nutrition is a South Carolina based company and it comes in the most popular and most sold category of whey isolate protein in India and internationally. It comes in two flavors, that is chocolate bliss and rich vanilla. Its 3 pound packaging costs at rupees 5916. It's one of the best ultra filtered whey proteins and satisfies your health requirements. It comes with 5.5 grams of branch chain amino acids and 4 grams of glutamine. It provides 24 grams of pure 100% whey isolate protein per serving and gets very easily digested. It's suitable for building lean muscle mass. So let's check out some more details of this product. So the price per kg of the supplement is 4338 rupees and the number of servings it provides is 44. The serving size of per scoop is 31 grams and the protein percentage per serving is 81. So it's a vegetarian product, so everyone can opt for this, whether it be a veg or a non-veg person. You should definitely try this, as this is very popular and gives amazing results. So now let's move on to the second supplement, that is Dymatize ISO 100 protein. So this Dymatize company is based in Dallas, Texas and owned by Post Holdings. It houses the label of the best nutritional brand in the world and comes with a wide range of health benefits. Its ISO 100 whey protein powder is best for sports person and quite effective in providing proper nutrients to their bodies. It's also very essential for building lean muscle mass. Its whey protein contains 5.5 grams of branch chain amino acids and 2.7 grams of leucine. These amino acids are beneficial in building strong muscles, whereas leucine works effectively in muscle protein synthesis. It comes with zero fat, sucrose and aspartame, and anybody can use it without any risk. So it contains 100% pure whey isolate protein and has a fast digesting feature and works effectively for the muscle recovery processes as well. So its 5 pound packaging comes at rupees 5891. It's a bit costly, but it provides insane results and you can see the results definitely after using it for a month or two with intense exercise. It comes in a variety of flavors. Basically there are 13 flavors to choose from, but my favorite one is cookies and cream and the fudge brownie flavors. You can try them as well. So now let's check on some details. The price per kg of this protein powder is 4320 rupees. Number of servings it provides is 43, and the serving size per scoop of this protein is 32 grams. The protein percentage per serving is 78, and the amount of protein it provides per serving is 25 grams. It's also a vegetarian supplement, so everybody can go for this. So make sure to try this out if you want very fast results. So now let's move on to the first one, that is MyProtein. MyProtein headquarters are based in Norwich, Cheshire, England, as it's the most purest protein in the complete list. I like it because of a few things, like it has its own site from which I can purchase it, and it provides its own shipping, so there are no chances of getting fake products as we can buy directly from its site. And it's the most affordable isolate protein, as its 5.5 pound of packaging comes at only 6000 rupees. It's available in a variety of flavors. Basically there are 7 flavors, and I personally like strawberry cream and chocolate smooth and chocolate peanut butter one too. So you can go on trying every flavor, as it's so yummy and it's so easily to digest and provides 100% pure isolate protein. It's ranked at second number at top 10 proteins on Labdoor, and Labdoor is the best and most trusted genuine ranking site of supplements. So now let's move on to some of its details. The price per kg of the supplement is 2400 rupees. It provides 100 total number of servings, and the serving size per scoop is 25 grams. The protein percentage per serving is 88, and the amount of pure protein we get from this is 22 grams. It's also a vegetarian product, so everybody can try this, and you sure have to try this, guys, if you want a genuine quality and pure isolate protein product. Thank you guys for watching this video, and the links to buy all these products are in description. Please like this video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe it and do hit the bell icon, as I post the top 10 videos of everything, whether it be technological updates, gadgets, or daily life products. If you wanna see some of them, just click on the I button. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.